He's operating a Twitter account from the jail cell, you know. Do you know that?
You said he was operating from India the other day.
मैंने ऐसा कब कहा था?
अरे नहीं, आपने कहा था
वजीर दफा ख्वाजा आसिफ ने कहा है कि एक ट्रायंगल है जिसमें पीटीआई, भारत और अफगानिस्तान है। वानी पीटीआई का सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट कौन चला रहा है, ये एक बड़ा सवाल का निशान है। उनके अकाउंट पर मवाद पढ़कर लगता है जैसे भारत से कोई शख्स अकाउंट चला रहा हो।
You know, it is one. This either he is operating from this cell, or he should at least identify who's operating the cell.
अच्छा
You just said a moment ago that he wanted to sue you for defamation.
Yeah.
You just claimed that India is controlling Imran Khan's Twitter account. What evidence do you have for that? It's a big claim to make. What's the evidence?
The evidence, I cannot publicly disclose the evidence.
If you can't publicly disclose the evidence, why make the claim? Do you really think Pakistanis, they'll believe a lot of stuff. Do you really think they'll believe that Imran Khan is unpatriotic?
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे।